Hi, my name is Maria and I want to share you something. In the pre-digital era, life was different. Communication was limited to physical mail and landline phones. Marketing relied heavily on print media, television, and radio. Research involved hours in libraries, and entertainment meant going to theaters or watching TV. Then came the digital revolution. Suddenly, everything changed. Communication became instant with emails, smartphones, and social media. Marketing shifted to online platforms, reaching global audiences in seconds. Research became effortless with search engines, and entertainment was at our fingertips with streaming services. One of the most significant changes was in marketing. Digital marketing opened up new possibilities. Businesses could now target specific audiences, track their campaigns in real time, and engage with customers directly. It leveled the playing field, allowing small businesses to compete with giants. Digital marketing offers endless possibilities. It's cost-effective, measurable, and highly targeted. With tools like SalesforceMarketingCloud, businesses can create personalized campaigns, analyze customer data, and deliver seamless experiences across multiple channels. In conclusion, the digital age has transformed our lives in ways we never imagined. From communication to entertainment to marketing, the digital revolution has made the world more connected and accessible than ever before.
Wow, that's great. Thank you for providing this information. I appreciate your help.